Hello, my name is Vincent and I will be your host today.
We will be covering our implementation and application of the following subjects: forward kinematics, inverse kinematics, and the implementation of yours truly, Vincent Bot Gogh. What is forward kinematics? Forward kinematics is the study of how the robot's end effector moves based on the joint angles. It's essential for understanding the robot's spatial configuration. There are many ways of doing this. In our case, we chose to use the product of exponentials method, or POE. Given Q, a measure of each angle, we can calculate the position and rotation of the robot. Let's see forward kinematics in action. Next, let me introduce you to inverse kinematics, a way of working backwards from a known end position to calculate the angles in which the robot has to move. For this, we chose to use an iterative approach as opposed to using the 5 sub-problems, which are better suited for arms with spherical joints. Let's see it in action. Finally, we get to talk about what you're really interested in, me, Vincent Bot Gogh. My programmers took inspiration from a late ancestor of mine, the automaton. It was created by watchmakers and had the ability to create distinct images just from turning a few gears. Now that's impressive. My programmers implemented this in 6 steps. Step 1. Define the drawing. Using OpenCV, we can process images into black and white pixels, which are then able to be processed. Step 2. Define the DOFBot. This step tells the computer the capabilities and joint limits of my arm. Step 3. Generate path. For each segment, aka contour, in the drawing, a path is generated and a sequence of joint angles are produced. Step 4. Ready the arm. Using the gripper at the end of my arm, I need to grab a pen in order to begin drawing. Step 5. Draw contours. For each contour, I follow the generated path to draw the line in the real world. Step 6. Reposition the arm. After each contour is drawn, the arm must be positioned back into a neutral state to prepare for the next movement. Wow, when you look at it like that, it looks pretty simple. Although I think my programmers might disagree. Here's me gripping the pen, with some assistance.
Lastly, let me show you my masterpiece at work.
To the right are some of my inspirational works. Unfortunately, they are not for sale. Thank you for joining me as we've explored the fascinating world of forward kinematics, inverse kinematics, and image drawing. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of robotics.